In video 9, tape measures. In this video, we're going to discuss tape measures. Tape measures are tools that give the real world dimensions, like this fractional tape measure, often used by carpenters. There are also tape measures that take an inch and divide it by 10, as opposed to 16 or 32. These are often used by machinists and engineers. They're called decimal inch tape measures. They allow you to read a decimal value directly, rather than converting it from a fraction. And I will tell you the secret of fractional decimal conversion soon. So here's a metric tape measure. The units on this tape measure are centimeters, and they're also divided into tenths, which in this case each tenth is a millimeter. It's important to understand the difference between fractional and decimal inch. So the fraction 1/10 can be expressed as a fraction, but 1/10 can also be expressed as a decimal. In this case, it's 0.1. So there's 1/100th, 1/1000th, 1/10,000th, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16th. The idea is that the values on the left are fractional and the values on the right are decimal. So here's the big secret. 3/8 is the same thing as 3 divided by 8. A fraction is just a division problem. Almost every STEM profession uses this hand tool. So let's say you were standing in front of a steel pipe that was miles long and you wanted to find the diameter of that pipe. If the pipe was 10 inches in diameter, but you didn't know that, and you put a regular tape measure around the pipe, it would read 31.416. If you took that number and divided it by the number pi, you would get the diameter of the pipe. But there's an easier way to do this. Just grab a tape measure that has a diameter scale, otherwise known as a pi tape. So this one is a regular tape measure on the top scale, but if you flip it over, it shows you a diameter scale. It automatically divides your answer by pi, so it gives you a direct reading of a pipe's diameter by wrapping the pi tape around the outside. Here we can see the measurement is 2 3/8. Put some tools to use in your life. I hope you found this video helpful.